Take 2. Ano ba yan? Yung isang tasa ng red tea ko, nakarami na ako ha. Sa dami ng take. Hirap talaga mag-edit. Okay. Hello, good morning. Join me with my morning routine. Okay. Hala, nakalimutan ko pala. Wait. Take 4. Okay? Pang-apat na take na. Hi! Welcome again to Momma's Kitchen, Grabby. So, join me with this morning routine. Anong gagawin ko? I'm going to cut! Hi! Good morning! Welcome again to Momma's Kitchen, Grabby. Hi! Good morning, everyone! Okay, welcome to Momma's Kitchen, Grabby. And join me with this morning routine. Morning routine, ibig sabihin every day. Actually, not every day. Every day, I want to have my own tea or sometimes coffee, but this is my morning routine. Okay, yun na yun. My tea today is a red tea. Bakit red tea? I want to paint the town red. Joke. Corny. Hi, good morning everyone. So, join me with this morning routine. Okay, let's have a cup of red tea today. Red tea today. Cut. Isang tasa lang ng red tea. Hirap na hirap akong i-edit. How much more kung gaano ka-complicated na mga videos ang ginagawa ninyo sa inyong mga channels. Okay? Pero today, since I want a very energetic day, syempre, lagi natin kailangan yan, mga mami. So, I decided to make my own red tea. I'm having this one, actually, twice a week, once a week, ganyan. Since, naisip ko, wala akong ma-shoot today. So, I'm sharing with you my morning with this red tea. So, paano ba gumawa ng red tea? Ito ang pinaka number 1 na kailangan mo. Okay, that one is a red beets or sugar beets. Okay, actually yung isang red beet na buo, madami ka nang magagawa dyan. You can blend that one and then store it sa iyong refrigerator for a week, and pwede mo siyang timpla-timplahan. Just like what I did, okay? From time to time, kapag feeling ko hydrated yung utak ko or medyo exhausted ako, what I am, okay, mali. Ang ginagawa ko lang, nagtitimpla ako ng red tea with my sweet honey. Okay, this one is real wild honey. Of course, we wanted some good health. Kaya iiwas tayo ng konti sa mga sugary, sweet sugar, white, kung ano man dyan ng mga sweeteners. And then, konti lang. Yung malalasahan lang natin yung kanyang, maiiba lang ng konti yung lasa ng sugar beets. Kasi, kapag plain na sugar beets lang, baka hindi mo yan mainom ng bigla. And then, lemon. Okay, here's a much more healthier version of lemon. Kasi yung akin is sliced na. Yan. So, siguro 1 teaspoon or half teaspoon of lemon. Drop lang. And then, malibay paghalo ko. Actually, sabi na, the way you ganyan lang, so whatever. Okay. Anong content ng aking red tea? Ito siya. Apple. Yan. Sugar beets. Yan. Carrots. Yan. And then, dahil laging available ang pomelo ngayon, I've added some pomelo. See? Okay. And then, since I really love this Moringa oleifera dried na powder, okay, I've made this one myself with the help of my own blender. Moringa oleifera leaves dried it with some wild honey. Okay, ngayon, after mong i-blend lahat yan, at nakagawa ka na ng mixture of all the ingredients that you have, and then, pwede ka na mag-red tea. Okay? This one is body boosting energy. Yes, body boosting energy. It helps your mind. It helps your blood. Tapos, pag may natira ka, sumobra ka ng konti sa mga fruits, just take a bite. Thank you for watching. Bye, and thank you for watching. Okay, my red tea. Yes, this one is green and this one is red. Sprinkle mo lang naman siya eh, para siyang paminta na sprinkle mo lang sa yung red tea and it will add some help. Okay? Bye! So, pack up na, pack up. Bye-bye mga mami. Bye-bye mga kachika.